Hello everybody. How would you like to have a live and interactive painting tuition with me? Well, now you can. This is something people have been asking me about for quite a while. So I have finally got it all sorted out, I hope. And this is what this course is about. Well, it's not really a course. It's your opportunity to book some lessons with me. Now, I've done it in a certain way that you can book just one-hour lesson, or you can book a group of 5 or a group of 10. It's up to you. It'll all be done via Zoom, and all the lessons will be recorded for your own personal reference and use afterwards. Now, I've explained everything as best as I can in the details in the curriculum. So I hope you find it of interest, because this is going to be your opportunity to think about what you really want to improve with your painting. You'll be able to watch me demonstrate, just as I will be able to watch you and what you're doing. So I hope you find this of interest. Please take a look, and I hope to see you in a lesson soon.